2018 F150, and I got it at auction. It's only got 11,000 miles on it, and we put Raptor bedsides and inner wheel wells, and it's all put together with sheet metal screws now because it's not essential to have glue and rivet guns delivered in quick enough time. But I replaced this bumper here, and this taillight's cracked. I made a homemade taillight there, and replaced the back window, Raptor fenders up front, Raptor hood up front. I have the Raptor antenna. We're gonna do carbon fiber grills there in the hood and carbon fiber flares. Put a new windshield, put OEM headlights. I do have the Raptor inner wheel wells, but I'm not gonna put them in until after it's painted. I went with the special edition grill. I like it, it kind of matches the Audis that I kind of like. But for the most part, it's good to go. Gonna head to Salt Lake City to pick something up you guys might be familiar with. Maiden voyage. Look at this custom taillight I made. Volkswagen guys got ingenuity. Oh, that shit'll buff out. And I put a new glass here. That was bad. But the whole interior's like leather interior, really nice. I mean, it smells brand new in here because it is brand new. Don't know the story yet. But that's that. We're going to Vegas first. Our buddy Lester, we had the red bug that we picked up for him. He found a 18 bumper for me, so I'm gonna go pick that up. We're gonna bolt that on in Vegas, then go up to Salt Lake City, get what we're gonna get, and then come back. All while social distancing is happening. So just specs on this real quick. What we're gonna do. So this is the 3.5 twin turbo V6. It's the same thing that's in the Raptor. This is 4-wheel drive. We're gonna lower it 4 inches in the front, 5, 6 in the back. And big goal, convert it to all-wheel drive. We'll see what happens and when, but that's that. See you when we roll out in the morning. There's a bumper, and then here's the resistance.